Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we are here to make another craft. I thought because it's spring, let's do something springy. We're gonna make some fabulous 2D birds. And all it really involves is gluing and cutting. I think we can handle this, people. Let's do this. Okay, I would like you to get some scissors. Let's see. You may need a pencil. You will need some glue, and it's up to you if you want markers, colored pencils, crayons, that's up to you, okay? But definitely you will need scissors and glue. And let's get started. I'm gonna show you what's going to be in your kit. In your kit, you're gonna have all these fabulous different colors of construction paper. You're gonna have 2 little googly eyes for your little bird's eyes. And I'm gonna throw in, just for you, some templates. Okay, so there's just gonna be some circles and some leaves, just in case you need them. All right, then oh, you know what? You're gonna have directions in there too. We're gonna have some directions for our 2D bird craft. All right, let's get started. What we wanna do is your birds are gonna be glued onto the blue paper. So that's the piece we wanna just kind of put aside. That's the one we're going to be gluing onto. But we want to take all these other papers and start cutting all the stuff we need. You're going to need, in red and yellow, you're going to need all of these pieces. So a big circle, a little circle, and a rectangle. So you're going to want to take your red and your yellow construction paper and go ahead and cut those out. One big, one little, one rectangle. All out of that, okay? Then you'll want some leaves, however many you want. You can use this or you can make your own. Doesn't matter, totally up to you. But you're gonna wanna do that with your green. So go ahead and take your green and make some leaves. A lot, a little, totally up to you. I didn't bring over here, I'm so sorry, a brown piece of construction paper, which will be in your kit as well. But you want to take your brown construction paper and cut out 2 branches so that your birds have something to sit on, okay? Just kind of take your paper and just cut. It's really, a branch is, there's no definite shape to a branch, so just cut a tree branch, okay? And then you'll be taking your white and making some clouds. Again, you can make big, little, medium, 1, 2, 3, however many, up to you. Make some clouds. There's also going to be a little tiny orange piece of paper in there to make your birds little beaks, okay? Or you could draw the beaks on. That's where the crayons or the markers come in handy or come in play. You can draw, you can cut, whatever way you want to do it. Guess what? I have all my stuff cut out. That's why I wasn't cutting. All right, all my stuff is cut. So now I'm going to start putting this all together. I have my 2 branches right here. See, I just kind of cut them out, all right? So you're just going to take your glue and glue these branches right onto your paper. And again, this is your paper, so honestly, you can put them wherever you want. I'll put mine this way, you put yours however you would like. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, yeah, let's do, okay. I had to play with my, my branch there and figure out how I wanted it. Okay. So 2 branches on your paper. There we go. 2 branches. Beautiful, right? Yeah, let's dress it up a bit. Let's dress it up. Okay. Now let's make our birds. We're gonna take, all right. You wanna take your circle, one of your circles, whichever color you wanna work with first, and just fold it right in half, okay? So I just took mine and I just folded it right in half. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm going to cut slits into just one side, one half of my paper. I'm going to leave the other half be. And I'm not going to go all the way up. So you can make these slits as thick or as thin as you would like. These are your bird's feathers. There we go. One side of my paper. The other side I didn't touch, just the one. I'm going to do the same thing with my other. Or if it's easier, you could have even just put these together and cut them at the same time. But totally up to you. All right, making some slits again. When you're doing your little slits here, I'm going about 3/4 of the way up. That means I am going almost to the top, but not quite to the top when I'm doing my cutting. All right, I have those done. Now I'm going to take my red and yellow rectangles and I'm going to make slits on these too. These, I'm going to do mine both at the same time to save myself a little cutting. I put them together, okay? You want to take them on just one side of the long end and just make some slits. Again, your choice, skinny, wider, okay? And these are a little bit thinner. I tried not to make these as long, okay? Not a big deal however long you do them. All right, and that's it for those for right now. Now we put our bird together. We have this as our bird's head. This is our bird's body. So whichever way your bird's going to be facing, our bird is going to be put together like so. All right. And again, if you want your tail to be shorter, you can glue it on shorter. If you want it longer, put it longer. Shorter, longer, shorter, longer. That's all up to you. So go ahead and get your bird glued together. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you can sing a song while you're doing it. Go ahead. Sing. Oh, my birdie lost his head. Here we go. You just have to stick his head back on there. Okay. But it doesn't matter because now we're putting our bird on our branch. So go ahead and put some glue wherever you're going to be putting your bird, or put your glue on the bird, whichever way. I'm putting it on my paper, but you can put it on your bird or on your paper. Angle it on there however you want it to be angled, and just kind of stick it on there. All right, this head needs a little bit more glue. There we go. All right, and my first bird is put together. Now I want to put my second bird. So I'm going to work on it, and you can have them facing the same way. You can have them facing together. It's up to you on that too, because it's your project. Yes, I always let you guys decide because I like these to be unique. And if I'm doing all the decision making, it's not very unique, is it? All right, again, decide where are we going to put our bird. Stick some glue on there. Get our bird on there. There we go. Make sure it's on there good. The head doesn't like to, there we go. Okay. Now what we're going to do with our pencil, this is where our pencil is really going to come in handy actually. We're going to take our pencil and we are going to roll these feathers up a bit so that they're kind of sticking up. Yeah, there we go. Just a little bit of a roll. Unless you want them to be super tight, I guess you could do that then, okay? We're going to do the same thing with the red, or if you started with the yellow, do the same thing with the red. And you are going to, again, do the same thing with the feathers. The feathers, of course. With the tail, you want to kind of make that go the same, okay? And you can kind of mess with them and put them however you want, honestly. And there, so now it's kind of like, it's already 2D. Yay, but now we need to decorate it. I mean, they need faces, right? So we're gonna put an eye on each of them. There we go, and a beak. And if you would like, you are more than welcome to draw this instead of gluing the pieces on. I had everything cut out, so I'm ready to just glue it all on there. There we go. My birds are complete. If there's anything you want to do to these to make them more like your own, unique, do it now. Do it by all means. Now, if you want to add clouds or leaves, this is the time. Anywhere you want to put them, you can put them. If you want a lot, put a lot. If you want just a little bit, put a little bit. Now, if you made the leaves like I did, you can take them and fold them in half lengthwise, and it'll also be kind of 2D, because now I'm just gonna put glue on one side of this and it'll kind of pop out of the picture. There we go. But you don't have to. You can even leave them flat. It's your picture, guys. It's your picture. That's what I keep saying, right? It's your picture. I'm not using all the leaves that I cut, so I don't really want that many on there. There we go. We got this. We've got this. This is a really cute project. I really like it. Okay. Well, I have my leaves on there. I just put a few. So exciting. I love this project. And I have 2 clouds, but I don't know if I want to overdo my picture. Yeah, I can fit one up on the top. I'm going to do it. Just one, guys, just one. You can do whatever you want. You can make it smaller so you can fit more or whatever. There. My 2D bird picture is complete. All I did was a little bit of cutting, a little bit of gluing, and it's voila. I think these are the cutest things ever. Okay, so make sure that you write your name on there. You write the date on there and then decide, do I want to give this to someone? Would I rather keep it in my house? Your decision. Decide what you're going to do with it. Do that with it and clean up all your mess. Should just be a bunch of cutting scraps, I think, and then a little bit of putting stuff away. So go ahead and clean that up, recycle all that paper. You know, this is recycle month, so let's get that. I mean, every day is recycle day, but we have Earth Day coming up, so let's make sure we recycle everything and have so much fun making this, guys. I will see you later. Goodbye.